Mr. Dayananda is not giving me the death certificate. Yeah, in fact, I filed 2 appeals, but unfortunately.
Hear me first.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Don't test the patience of the court.
Judge,
You have-
the police have not come to the court since nearly 7 years.
ಕೊಡಿ ಇದು ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಅಪೀಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇದು.
Judge, actually the party names them itself is wrong. Unfortunately, the staff here in the court, they have not entered all the documents I submitted. The case is actually.
First answer to the court question. The office has raised the objection that this appeal is not maintainable. What is your submission?
It is maintainable because there are facts and law who both support my case. And unfortunately, the lower courts, starting with the city magistrate court in PCR 3055 and then criminal appeal, they have not considered the dismissal of Sarasamba and Prabhakar. See, they have, even here, they have not listed the party names. So Lokesh Kumar is the number 1 accused. And in fact, Mirg House reported dead about 2.5 years ago. And Mr. Dayananda is not giving me the death certificate. And Sanjeev Reddy is listed as not present or something. The police have not come to the court since nearly 7 years. About more than 6.5 years of filing the case. This is a Foreign Corrupt Practice Act case, Judge.
ಕೊಡಿ ಇದು ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಅಪೀಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇದು. You have already filed an appeal before the sessions court.
Yeah, in fact, I filed 2 appeals, but unfortunately.
Hear me first.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Don't test the patience of the court.
Judge.
You have already filed an appeal before the trial court.
Yes.
That's why the office has raised the objection that once again, appeal is not maintainable.
Yeah, it is
Appeal
maintained
against
because
appeal is.
the lower court has committed an error, serious error in judgment. I have argued all those things.
First you understand.
Yeah.
Don't make submission. Yeah. You are.
Judge,
you are.
I'm a US citizen. I'm a US citizen.
You are.
My language.
First you understand. You are before the court.
Okay.
Already you filed an appeal before the sessions court.
Yes.
That's why the office has raised the objection. Appeal against appeal is not maintainable. That's why you have to comply with office objection. Appeal is not maintainable as against the appeal. First you have to comply that office objection. Not only that office objection, other office objections are also there. You comply with the same.
I have already complied with all of them. In fact, if I see the internet, they say office objections cleared. Yes, they have put a mark on yes.
ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಬೀಳ್ತಾನ ಅವ್ನು ಸುಮ್ನಿರ್ರಿ. ಅದೇ ಬೈಸ್ಕೋತೀರಿ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಎದ್ಬಿಡಿ ನೀವು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ವಿತ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
This is a matter involving life and death.
Whatever it may be.
We are all US citizens.
14%, Mr. Shivaprasad, you first understand.
I have understood. What is wrong with that? See, I have appealed here because the lower court judge have made serious error in their judgment.
Whatever it may be, this court will consider whether the trial court committed an error or not.
Yes, that is what I want this court to consider.
First you comply with office objection. Appeal against appeal is not maintainable. If you are not having legal knowledge, then you seek the legal assistance and comply with the office objection. That I can say. If you want to argue more, then this court is helpless.
No.
Or otherwise.
No. What is required? I have gone to the judge. Please hear. I have gone to your security, your criminal scrutiny department.
No need to.
I am trying to reach Mr. Bharatkumar, Registrar Judicial. They are not clear. This is what happened in the district court also. See, office objections, if the registrars, some staff raises an office objection, then I give an answer. And who has to, the registrar has to approve it.
Regarding maintainability, you first comply with the office objection. That's
yes, I have complied with all the office objections.
No such compliance. appeal against appeal is not maintainable.
Why it is not made? Because the appeal, the previous appeal, where? No, why it is not maintainable is my question.
Once again, I am telling you,
Yeah.
there are legal complications.
Yeah.
You take the assistance of the person who is having legal knowledge, because you are not able to understand what the court is suggesting you. Then
Check, let me tell you,
Court-
I have gone to
court-
about
court-
70, 80 lawyers
Maybe-
to take up this case. And they don't want to take up this case. Why? Because the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act case. And even your lower courts have refused to, see, I filed a case against GE and GE.
don't make any submission with regard to the merits of the case now. Now only case is listed for non-compliance. Appeal is not maintainable. You take the legal assistance and correct it. Appeal against appeal is not maintainable. That is the office objection. You comply it. You comply it, then
Comply it with the office. If they say it is cleared, then it is cleared, is it?
you
I will present my,
you peruse the proviso.
who should I argue with, judge?
I-
Should I go and argue with your
I
criminal
cannot
scrutiny
give
department?
legal assistance to you. I
Huh?
can consider the matter on merits. You-
Yeah, please
you
consider
take-
it and
you
merit.
take-
I mean,
you
the
take
opposite party has not appeared. Where are the lawyers? See, they were represented by Mr. Patel, A.N. Patel, if I am not wrong, into 2000, the criminal revision petition 2000, 396 of 2022. Where is Mr.
Don't-
Patel? He is absconding
don't-
after that.
don't-
And
Don't make such submission before this court. Here no notice is issued against the respondent. Question of appearance
I
doesn't
mean, why
arise.
it is not issued is by.
The court has to issue notice because now matter is pending for consideration of compliance of office objection. You first comply. The
Okay,
office-
I will go to the-
You first comply the office objection, then court will issue the notice to the other side.
Yeah, okay.
Unless you comply,
Yeah.
this court cannot pass any order. You
Okay.
comply. it.
Please,
That's
please,
all.
post it for Monday. I will request you to post it because I am stuck up here in India. And my family are all have got destroyed. They are actually trying to kill me. This is a Foreign Corrupt Practices Act case. You can see all my arguments from PCR 30.
Comply within 1 week. List this matter on 1 week ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Next Thursday ಕೊಡಿ.
Uh,
9/4.
huh?
9/4.
9/4. Okay, 9/4.
ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.